In this video, I'm going to show you how the new update in Google Ads Message Assets can help you get more leads by making it easier for people to contact your business. Earlier, you could only connect through WhatsApp, but now your ads can also open chats in Messenger and Zello. By the end, you will understand when to use each platform, how this update fits into your funnel, and how it can turn more clicks into real conversations with your customers. If you are running Google Ads and using message extension for leads, this new update is important for you. Earlier, you could only connect people through WhatsApp. Now you can also connect them through Messenger and Zello message assets. This small update can make a big difference in how fast and easily your customer reach you. Most business owners think only about calls and forms when they run Google Ads. But your best leads often come from people who just want a quick chat before they decide. That is where message assets become powerful. In this video, I will show you what this update is, why it matters for your business, how different types of businesses can use WhatsApp, Messenger, and Zello, and how to think about this change strategically, not just technically. So, earlier, when we created a message assets in Google Ads, you mostly had the option to allow users to connect with you via WhatsApp. Now, Google has expanded this feature. You can connect people through WhatsApp, Messenger, and Zello. This means when someone sees your ad, they can click and directly message your business using the platform they are most comfortable with. People trust platforms where they already spend time. Your customers are already chatting all day on WhatsApp, Messenger, and for some markets, Zello. So instead of forcing them to fill a form or make a call immediately, you are giving them a shorter, easier step. Start a chat. More chats, more conversations, more chances to convert a cold visitor into a warm lead. So how different platforms fit different markets. So let's discuss about the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is perfect for regions like Pakistan, India, Middle East, many Asian and Latin American countries, where WhatsApp is the default communication app. This option is great for service business, coaches and consultants, education and training, local services. So let's come to the Messenger. So Messenger app is perfect for users who live inside the Facebook and Instagram ecosystem and prefer messaging through their social account. This is really good for e-commerce brands running meta ads, local shops or restaurants, online resellers who already talk to customers on Messenger. Then finally, we came to the Zello. So it is popular in specific countries like Vietnam, where Zello is widely used as a messaging and business platform. So if your ads are targeting these regions, enabling Zello simply means you are meeting people where they already communicate. Now, how you have to think it about strategically. So this update is not only a new button in the interface, it is a new way to reduce friction in your funnel. So here is how it helps you. Some users will never fill a form on the first touch, but they will happily send a quick message like, how much does it cost? Is this available in my city? Do you offer installment, etc.? So that one message give you a chance to answer quickly, build trust, qualify the leads, and guide them to the next step. And the next step would be booking a call, filling a form, or placing an order. So, what is the beginner mistake you should avoid? Do not enable all three platforms blindly without a plan. Only enable the platform where your team can reply fast, your audience is already active, you can manage leads properly. Because slow replies kill trust, fast reply convert. So, how to use this in your funnel? So, if you are a business owner, use message assets on campaigns where people still need clarification before buying. Let's say high ticket services, courses, consultation, custom code, etc. If you are a marketer or a student, understand that message assets are not just extra, they are part of your conversion strategy, especially for mobile users. So, here's a simply weekly check. If you start using message assets, track these basic things every week. How many chats started, from which campaign and keywords, and how many chats converted into leads or sales. So you can see, is Messenger performing better? Is WhatsApp bringing more serious leads? Do Zalo chats come from a specific location? So then you can adjust your strategy based on that data provided. If you are a student or a marketer and you want to learn how to use features like message asset as part of complete Google Ads strategy, check out the link in the description for my Google Ads training. It will help you move from just running campaigns to building full funnel and profitable system. Subscribe if you want more updates, breakdowns, and simple explanation on how to use Google Ads in a smart, profitable way. Not just technically, but strategically. See you in the next video.